Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here is my first video on polynomials. I am going to start with algebra part first. So these are the most important questions on polynomials which has repeatedly asked in board papers. So let's begin with the first question. If 1 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x, ax square minus 3 into a minus 1 into x minus 1, find the value of a. So this is a 2-mark question. So the given polynomial expression is ax square minus 3 into a minus 1 into x minus 1. So here you can find the value of a by using 1, which is given in the question. So you can substitute 1 in place of x to get the value of a. So taking 1 in place of x, you get a1 square minus 3 into a minus 1 equals to 0. So if you take out the bracket, you get a minus 3a minus into minus plus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. So hence a minus 3a will be equal to minus 2a plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So you get minus 2a plus 2 equals to 0. Hence minus 2a will be equal to minus 2 if that is equated to 0. So hence a will be equal to, if you cancel the negative sign, you get a will be equal to 2 by 2, which is 1. So hence the value of a is 1. So the next question is, if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus x minus x, find the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. This is also 2-marker question. So here you need to simplify the given expression in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, which is the sum and product. So before that, we just find the coefficients of ABC. So this given expression is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That's the standard form of quadratic polynomial. So ABC values are a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 6. So now we got the values of ABC. Now let's find the sum and product. Sum is minus b by a and product is c by a. So minus b by a will be minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1, and c by a will be minus 6 by 1, which is minus 6. So alpha plus beta is minus 1, alpha into beta is minus 6. So next we can simplify the expression, that is 1 by alpha square and 1 by beta square, in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So if you cross multiply, you get alpha square plus beta square by alpha square into beta square. Now the given the numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square value can be simplified by using the identity with a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we need the value of a square plus b square. So to find the value of a square plus b square, you can subtract the remaining two expression. So you get alpha plus beta as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. So that you can substitute in the numerator, and alpha square beta square can be taken as alpha into beta whole square. Now we know what is the value of sum and product. Sum is minus 1, product is minus 6. So these two can be substituted in the expression. Alpha plus beta is minus 1, alpha into beta is minus 6. So if you simplify this, you get minus 1 whole square. So you get 1 minus into minus is plus, 1 plus 12 is 13 by 6 square is 36, which is 13 by 36. So the value of 1 by alpha square and 1 by plus 1 by beta square will be 13 by 36. So this can be asked for even 1, 2 marks or 3 marks. So the next question is, find the zeros of the polynomial p of x root 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 and verify the relation between the coefficient. So here we need to verify the relation between the zeros and coefficient. So before that we need to factorize the given polynomial expression. So root 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 and verify the relation. So you take the given expression in the form of standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Now to factorize you take the first and last term, that is root 3 into 4 into root 3. So if we know that root 3 and root 3 the product of same root numbers will be the number without root. So you get 12. 12 has a factor of 6 and 2. So which will be equal to the middle term, that is minus 8. So if you take minus 6 minus 2, you get minus 8. So root 3x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3 equals to 0. So now you can take common out. So here you can take root 3x minus 2 root 3. In the second part you can take 2 into x minus 2 root 3. So hence you get x minus 2 root 3 and root 3x minus 2. So if this is equated to 0, we get alpha beta, the two roots, the two zeros. So the one root is 2 root 3, the other root is, the other 0 is x is equal to plus 2 root 3. So alpha is 2 root 3, beta is 2 by root 3. So now we are verifying the relation using ABC values. So A is minus root 3 and B is minus 8 and C is 4. So the coefficients are ABC. Now we need to find the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That's the sum and product. So alpha plus beta will be equal to the zeros, 2 root 3 plus 2 by root 3, and minus b by a will be minus 8 by root 3. So when we add these two, you cross multiply, and root 3 into root 3 is just 3. 2 into 3 plus 2 by root 3, which is 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8 by root 3. So both LHS RHS are equal. So next let's verify the product, the other part, that is alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is c by a. So if you multiply 2 root 3 into 2 by root 3, you just get root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled, remaining is 4. So c by a is 4 root 3 by 3, and that is also 4. So LHS RHS are both are equal to 4. So hence we have verified the relation of the coefficient and zeros. Next question, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x 3x square minus 5x minus 2, then find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. So the polynomial is 3x square minus 5x minus 2. So first we need to factorize you can take the coefficients of ABC. We are not verifying, so you can just take the values of ABC and find sum and product first. So alpha square plus beta square can be simplified later, but before that we can find the sum and product, that is b minus b by a will be equal to 5 by 3 and c by a will be minus 2 by 3. So if you simplify alpha square plus beta square in terms of sum and product, you get alpha plus, you can use algebraic identities, that is a plus b whole square. So it can be alpha square plus beta square plus 2ab, which is alpha into beta. So we need to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So you can subtract those two terms to find alpha square plus beta square. So it will be 5 by 3 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 by 3. So which is 25 by 9 minus into minus plus 4 by 3. So LCM will be 9. So of course, if you simplify these two fractions, you get 25 plus 12 by 9, that is 37 by 9. So first part of the question is done. Second is alpha cube plus beta cube. So for this we are going to apply the identity of cubic polynomial, that is alpha cube a plus b whole cube. So we know that a plus b whole cube will be a cube plus b cube, or a plus b into a square plus b square minus alpha into a into b. So we know what is sum and product. Alpha plus beta is, you can just substitute the values of alpha beta, alpha square plus beta square, and alpha into beta. From the previous value we have found what is alpha square and beta square, that is 37 by 9. So if you substitute everything and simplify, you get 5 by 3 into 37 by 9 plus 2 by 3. So first you can simplify these two fractions. Just 5 by 3. So 3 by 3 into 5 by 9. So it is going to be 215. If you multiply 5 by 3 with 43 by 9, you get 215 by 27. So that's the second part. So third part is alpha square by beta, beta square by alpha. So if you simplify the expression first, you get alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha into beta, which is again using the above value, that is 215 by 27, by alpha into beta is minus 2 by 3. So here each question is related to the other. So 2 by 3. So you get 215 by 27 into minus 3 by 2. So when you take this to the numerator, it will be reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2. Then it will be 215 by 18. So the answer is 215 by minus 18. So hence we got the values of all the three. So the last question is find the zeros of p of x square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3 equals to 0. So here we are not finding the value of m, so we are finding the zeros. So the two zeros, values of x, if you factorize this. So here first you multiply the variable m to the bracket. So that is x square minus 3x m into m square plus into minus minus m into 3 is 3m. So after simplifying, x square and m square minus 3x minus 3m. So after arranging, you get x square minus m square minus 3x minus 3m. Then if you expand x square minus m square, that is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, you get x plus m into x minus m and 3 into x minus x plus m. If you take 3 as a common out, then we get the expressions as x plus m, which is common, and then x minus m minus 3, which is equals to 0. So x will be equal to, now both of those expressions are equated to 0, so hence the value of x will be equal to minus m. So the other value will be, if you take m and 3 to the other side, it will be m plus 3. So the two zeros are minus m and m plus 3. So the next video I'm going to do next 5 questions on polynomials. Please do like and share the video if you like, and please do not forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you all.